All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. Today, my name is Michael Chu. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, at almost 9 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We are 1.5 hours into the market. Nasdaq showing good numbers here, 0.6%. Dow is also around 0.6%. S&P is at 0.5%. And volume has decreased on Nasdaq, but it rose on NYSE. So at least one of the index has higher volume. So this is good news. Let me jump to the index here. Looking at the QQQ ETF here, so what has happened? Let's just take a quick look here. On Monday, we have a gap up, right? Very strong day. And then uh, Tuesday, we have a down day. The good thing is that we didn't make, new low here. So that's okay. And then today we have a bounce here again off the 10-day. So market is holding up. Let's put it that way. Because as of Friday, we were worried that this was going to break loose and go down. It can still do that. Today is Fed meeting day, so anything can happen if they said something that market doesn't like to hear. But yeah, overall, it's looking healthy. Let me just quickly look at Nasdaq Composite here. So on Nasdaq Composite, we actually have a higher volume on Monday. So that was the good sign, is that it actually have higher volume. Again, today S&P, let's just quickly look at S&P here. So it fell short on volume on Monday for S&P. But again, today, like I said, if the volume goes up higher, then that will be a good day for S&P here, and market close pretty good like at this level. But again, we are finding support at the 10-day, just holding on. Whether it can make new high here, we'll have to see. So let's go back to QQQ intraday chart here. So another good thing that happened is we didn't make a newer low this morning. We just kind of have a higher low here, and then we went up pretty nicely here. And so far, it's holding pretty tight. Um, we need to break above yesterday's high for this rally to be meaningful, and then the next high is not that far away. So that's the key levels here. So yeah. Now today, again, with volume higher today, that's a good sign. On stocks on the move, we are seeing many stocks today. You can see CRDO, Reddit at the top here, Upstart, USLM, TTMI, TSSI, TAT, CLS right here, CRK, oil and gas here, Cohere, SCI, TKO, TTSTRL, HEI right here. Yeah. So there's over 20 stocks. I don't know, this screen just kind of refresh itself sometimes. Let me, so yeah, it's not, I don't know why it just kind of, some stocks disappear, but there's about, like I said, there were about 20 stocks earlier, so that's a good thing. This we want to see more stocks going up. So there's some issue with the screen right now, but that's okay. I have tracked it. So we can go to my list here. So yeah, here's the list here. We'll go from the top. Um, let's look at AVGO. AVGO is doing well today again. Let's see here. So it's been kind of moving sideways, but today we see another bounce off the 10-day. It hasn't really come out yet, but you can see the slope is now getting more flat. So it's going to be easier for it to break out if it does. So that's the AVGO there. CRDO has really taken a big move today. You can see it broke out right here today from this handle point right here, really high volume, 7% right now, and 160% volume. So yeah, I think we are very near new high, $86 something was the previous high. So yeah, we'll see. So that's a good breakout there. Light, light also doing pretty well. Again, very tight trading recently. Today looks like it's come out decisively here. So this is a nice breakout as well. And MU continues to run very strong stock. Never came back to the 10-day. Another one in the same data storage group is XTX, also bounced recently, and now once it bounced, the slope is pretty strong right now, so those are really good. Okay, let's keep going here. Look at NVDA. NVIDIA also bounced today. Again, this has been trading really tight, not making too much of a move. So just more stable. Reddit, yeah, yesterday it announced new AI tools for the advertisement, and it was bouncing pretty strong, but it did close near the bottom of the range. And then today it found support right away, so that's really good. So let's look at intraday. So here's the low. So I don't know if it has that low, but pretty close to it. So okay, Palantir. It hasn't moved Monday it did, but then yesterday it fell much harder than most people think, and then today it's not really moving. It's kind of weird. So and volume is much lower. So I'm not sure what's happening in that stock. It's kind of a little bit choppy, right, for that stock. So go at TSM here. TSM also stalling a little bit. Uh, yeah. So we talk about this like AVGO, TSM, NVDA. All three are kind of stalling a little bit, not moving up to new highs right away. Take a look at ATAT. Yesterday it pulled back pretty hard by the end of the day, which is not a good sign right there. And today it's already reversing. Look at that. It's already reversing from the high. So and it got rejected at the 10-day as well. So that's not good. Um, Cabana is still on this steep downtrend here. Yeah. So still trying to recover. It's coming back up a little bit, you can see, but it's still below the 10-day. So we'll see if that will actually work out or not. But yeah, it's finding support near down here. So we'll just wait for it to come back up. Next we have RCL. RCL today it looks like it's trying to bounce. I'm gonna take out my marker for a second. Yeah, today is making new high, so this is good. So it crossed this level right there, so that's really good. So yeah, potential buy today. I think that looks pretty good. So I definitely need to put a watch on this. Next we have TKO. TKO, yeah, this is a strong breakout right here, and also from traditional buy point. So I took a position. It's not the highest ranking, it's in the hundreds, but this stock has a really nice shape, cup shape and handle. So I took a position in that. Next we have CLS. CLS continue to run. It's starting to accelerate a little bit, trying to come out soon of this previous high. So that looks good. Go here. Go here also make a move today. Very close to breaking new high, but $83.55. So very close, getting there. Today is a big move. That looks good too. HEI, this one also make a move today. It was trading really tight, very tight, after this big gap up. So now it's starting to make a move as well. Yeah. SCI, Solaris Energy, Chemical Specialty. So this one a little bit choppy recently, but right now it's a very strong slope. So it's trying to come out as well. So many stocks are trying to come out right now, which is really good. So that's that one. VRT. VRT also bounced today. Notice yesterday it was a update despite the market is down. So that just shows the relative strength right here. You can see it just almost like 45-degree angle right now. Very strong. That's VRT. On the health side, HIMS. Again, HIMS trying to come out right now. So it keep getting pushed back a little bit. But overall, it is starting to move. You can see the lows are forming this trend line right now. So it's finding support at the bottoms. So look at PHC here. So this one hasn't come out yet, so it's not moving. Okay, going to the oil and gas stocks, very strong right now. They did pull back though after a new high this morning. So here's AR making new high, but it did pull back. So it's a little bit extended, right? That's why it probably pulled back. But yeah, a very sharp 45-degree angle. Let's look at US oil or US oil. Yeah, US oil today is also pulling back, so that's probably why. Um, that's that one. QT, EQT is still green. It's also pulled back. RRC also pulled back, but making new high this morning. And CRK, this one make a giant move yesterday. I kind of talk about it, but yeah, I didn't expect it to make that big of a move yesterday, but it did. So here's a yesterday, and it just keep going. And then today it looks like it very strong. Look at how it just doesn't come down much, despite again the other three stocks are down, but this one is actually keep going. So very strong. So those four are the oil and gas stocks that I follow. GPO is a little bit ranking too high. On the financials, we have AFRM. They're very choppy though. Like you know, like Tuesday, yeah. So Monday it went bounce. Tuesday it came back down, and then today it bounced to new recent high again. It's a little bit slower bounce. Um, but it is like this was the last pullback right here, very sharp pullback after a really strong run. So that's okay. But right now it's starting to form this trend line at the bottom here. Upstart is doing well, very similar, right? Goes up, sharp pullback. Right now it's starting to form this trend line at the bottom. Today is up quite a bit, 8%. I'm not sure if there's any news. Then we have Sizzle, which is probably the strongest performing stock in the market right now. It just today it did pull back after hitting a new high yesterday, and it found support, so that looks pretty good. So here's found support right here. So yeah, we'll see if it continues its run. It's very strong stock, so definitely potential here. We'll keep watching this one. So yeah, yesterday market took a tumble. The good thing was the index is less volume, but the growth stocks did take a big hit. If you look at the market trend, we went from 40% uptrend to 25% only in uptrend. But today is a good day for growth stocks. So so probably we'll see that bounce back if we close where we are right now. So here's the innovative IBD 50. So yesterday was a big tumble, and let's see how much was it down yesterday here, down 1.39%. But today we found support and we bounced back and make higher high than yesterday. So that is just a little bit here, just a little bit. So we'll see if this can hold. Um, yeah, so the growth stocks are holding up. So if they can hold for the rest of the day, and with the Fed meeting coming up tomorrow, is also Fed meeting coming announcement will be at around noon, and then tomorrow is our off day for the market. So we'll see you on Friday. Thank you for watching. Have a very good day, and bye now. Please like and subscribe.